everybody, it's Liz with the Liz Attempts Budgets, and let's go ahead and stuff my wallet for the next week's cash budgeting. I am going to skip over groceries for the moment. I've already bought some groceries, so we'll see what's left to go in there. So we are working with 20, 40, 60, 80, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 25, 26, 27, 28, and $29. Plus the $5 I had to pay back to myself from my profit on an item that I sold. So let's go ahead and do 25 in house. Do 30 in thrift. Do 25 in fun. Do 25 in oops. There is $15 in my gas already, so that is going to stay in there, and then I am going to put another 15. Oh, there's only 10 in here, I guess. So there's 10, 15, 20, and 25 in gas. We're just going to leave that in there until I need to buy gas again. Right, so that leaves us with 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. I'm going to go ahead and put this in groceries just in case I end up needing to buy something other than what I've already provided for myself this week. And that is going to be everything for my cash wallet for this week. And next week is payday, so we will reconfigure everything when that comes in. Thanks for being here, and until the next one, bye.